The bomb is little. Skis back with another banger. Ray crashed my U-Haul truck. And see, this what I be talking about. Lil Ray, calm your ass down. Lil Ray needs some straightening. Cause saying you letting this nigga walk around over you like I'm telling you, Ray. Ray, I straighten Lil Ray out, gang. You want me to straighten Lil Ray? He think he crashed dummy, all this. I'll show Lil Ray something. I'm telling you. I'll show Lil Ray he not crash dummy, gang. Come on. Look at him, bro. Nigga, cow, Lil Ray got a little pity. Okay, Ray.
Yeah. Where's the link? Wait, when did you got me? 3 seconds ago. 3 seconds ago? Yep. Is that a dog? I'm God. Whose dog is that?
Ray's dog.
That's not my dog.
Well, we're siblings, so it's our dog.
You right?
Yep.
Wait, I'm allergic. Hold on, I can't get on. Wait.
Okay.
Hold on, bro.
She clipped for. She trying to get a clip. Get out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of her. Trying to get a clip and shit.
When the hell did y'all meet?
3 seconds ago. I'm
Like,
God.
literally just now.
I'm God. 3 seconds ago. Like little sister.
Yeah, that's his number?
That's my sister. That's my sister.
I know, but you gotta get your sister's number.
No, we gotta get you on
No.
WeChat.
We use like different shit. Yeah.
Why wouldn't y'all get, like, info?
WeChat.
Because we're sisters. We're siblings.
She ain't fucking with Lil Ski. She not fucking with Lil Ski. She would have been like, ooh, let me get your number. I'm telling you, she was fucking with Ski. She would have gave him his number. She not fucking with Lil Ski. I'm telling you.
Oh, okay. What's wrong with getting your sister's info? Not that way, bro.
Okay, how are you referring to as our sibling? Yeah, come on, let's go.
Wait, Ray and...
Bro, look at this nigga Ray face, gang. No way. This nigga Ray not fucking with it. Look at Ray. Oh, I'm weak as hell.
No, we need a name for you.
Betsy.
Ray and Rayana.
What?
Ray and Rayana.
Oh.
Yo, don't mess up,
No.
bro.
I don't look like that. I don't look like Ariana.
What's it, Betsy?
Betsy.
No, but we need y'all to have like if y'all gonna be siblings, we gotta get like I think Ray and Rayana is fire.
Ray and
Oh, like siblings name?
Huh?
Like siblings name?
Yeah, siblings name. Like siblings name. Oh, Raya.
Ariana. Alright,
Yo. Ray and Raya.
Yo, you got this? Yo, you know he's homeless right now, right?
Bro, yes. Where the f have you been?
Oh, I'm homeless, bro. Sleeping at the street.
Bro, we gotta get a crib. You gotta get a crib, Ray.
Yo, Uncle, I need to get a truck, bro.
You in a truck too?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, hey, look,
This nigga Ray want to be just like Kyle. Tell him I need me a truck. For what, Lil Ray? For what?
I'll put in my truck. So if you want to set up in that truck with me, we can do that.
Right now?
Yes. I swear to God, on God. But
Oh, shit.
What the f is wrong with you?
It's a mosquito, bro.
Yo, Ray be playing with this nigga, gang. Oh, nah, this nigga Ray be playing too much, gang. He just smacked this nigga cop.
It's a mosquito. I'm God.
Bro, I think you missed it. It's like right there. It's right there.
No, Chad. Somebody clip it. It's actually a mosquito.
Why the fuck did you just hit me?
Holy
Bro,
shit.
it's a mosquito, bro. Look, somebody clip it. It's actually a mosquito on your forehead. It's actually a mosquito. Bro, somebody clip it, bro. It's...
No. I believe you, bro. But look though, I'm gonna upgrade to the 3-bedroom home.
Hey, I'm moving in, bro. I'm
So we
literally
gonna-
sleeping at the street right now.
So we can move in like that ass.
Yo, you know I'm actually sleeping at the street. I'm homeless right now. I'm actually homeless in
Okay,
New York, bro.
where you sleeping at?
Street.
Just sleeping. You're not sleeping on the street. You're not sleeping on the street. But I already did that. I didn't know where you was at. I don't know.
I'm a guy in the street.
I don't know. So you don't know nothing.
This nigga ain't even got gang. This nigga don't even have the top on the what's that shit called? The fan. Nigga got the top for the fan. That shit just open. Nigga Ray gon' got them. You feel me?
Father's guy.
It's my older brother.
You from Taiwan?
Yo, chill, I got girl right now. I got girl right now.
Oh, what?
I got girl right now.
What that mean?
Wait, you didn't tell me about that. You're supposed to tell me everything.
Oh, cause yeah, you're right. I'm gonna tell you right now.
How old are you?
27.
27? Okay. Thank you.
And this bitch talks some shit. She don't even know. She talks to my older brother. This bitch 27 years old. Ray 18. This bitch sound dumb.
So how the hell you? Oh, okay, you his older brother. Yeah, he's your older brother. All right. Yeah.
Check out.
Okay,
That
well,
shit
damn.
makes sense.
This bitch tried to do anything to get on stream. She tried to use the Ray method and it ain't working.
Bro, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
bro.
meet you for real. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you ever pull up to the, if you want to pull up again, let us know.
Okay.
We'll be there.
We got operation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be chatty, bro.
I bet.
Yeah, for sure.
Bye.
This bitch pushing 30. She pushing 30.
For sure.
Oh. Nigga, what the?
Yo, what the? Yo, I actually made her like 3 seconds ago. Like,
How?
How? No, they was talking to like.
Wait. What the? Bruh?
She stream sniped on Ski.
Yes, should we upgrade a car in the stream?
Hold on. Yo, you want to move with me? You gotta be dead ass though.
I'm fast,
Jack,
bro.
if I get this upgrade, does Ray moving with me, bro?
Yes, I'm fast, bro. Yo, you got a bad, bro.
I'm telling you, I'm lit.
I
nigga.
got a bad, bro.
I'm telling you, I look though. Alright, bro, but look, there's gonna be certain rules in this. If you
What rule?
rules, there gotta be rules.
You gotta be my meat.
Here this nigga go. What, Ray? What you talking about, Ray?
As long as you got a curtain to block that, then you can beat your meat. Other than that, there has to be certain rules, bro.
No rules.
Like your setup gonna be in this. So we would have to make sure that like we gotta use our inside voices. If I hit you in the background, we get whole chat.
Now we good. I think the sound will be good. I feel like woo.
What the fuck is he doing? Bruh, Kyle, you done ruined this little nigga game. What is he doing?
What the? Are you doing?
Save me! Save me!
What is Ray doing, bro? This nigga Ray wigging out. Ray wigging.
What the?
Yo, your cam is crazy.
Bro, what the?
Yo!
What?
The cam quality is crazy. I'm getting this cam, bro. What the?
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Wait, what the is wrong with you though? Stop doing dumb stuff about stuff. Save me! Save me!
Yo! It's just shaking, bro.
Man, send his ass back to Taiwan. I don't care. Send his ass back to Taiwan, bro. Send this nigga back to Taiwan. Send this nigga back to Taiwan. He wigging out. He is wigging out.
Wait! You better pop my bed! Put it lower. How? Use your feet.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. No, like this. Look. Put your feet on here and then just put it down. Yeah. More harder. Harder!
Pause. Pause. See that?
Stupidest.
No Diddy.
Ah. You stupid as fuck, bro.
Your mama! Grab mama!
You put a brown, you a rat.
Bro, you're... That mother...
Yeah, that's it.
Yo, you almost got arrested, you thug! You almost got arrested, I seen that.
I'm
Hey,
good, I think I
he
arrested.
almost got
Oh,
arrested.
this shit pop.
You pop, bro.
I did pop it.
Hey, fucking...
I did
yo, Ray wigging out.
This nigga fucking... Pop.
Look at Gang. Look at Gang.
You pop. What the f*** is
Bro,
wrong
you
with you?
look like that, boy.
Nah, bro.
You don't think
You
it's
fucking...
Oh, Ray bullying Lil Car?
Get off me! You Asian!
Why Ray bullying Lil Car? Ray really crashed.
Look what you managed to do. Bro. Look what you managed to do.
This nigga Ray always hurting something, bruh.
Oh, I broke this.
Alright, so you just ain't here breaking shit, right?
I did break, bro.
You owe. What's up?
Nigga Ray weak as a bitch.
Speaking of owe, you owe me $5,000.
I gave it to you. I gave it to you.
No, you didn't.
I gave you my PayPal. You sent it yourself.
You didn't give it to me.
I did.
Bro, in the span of
I
5
gave
minutes.
you my
In the
PayPal,
span of
bro.
5 minutes, you broke my fucking bed and my fan.
I'm a PayPal. What you broke?
Get right, Ray. Get right. Get right, little Ray. See that? Beat his ass, see that? He need a whooping. Beat his ass, see that? Beat his ass, see that?
Bro, what the f is your problem,
What
bitch?
the fuck, bro?
Stop.
Beat his ass, bro. See that? You need to whoop him.
Oh, what the fuck, bro?
Yo.
Bro, whoop this nigga, see that?
Yo, stop.
See that? Whoop this nigga, gang.
Stop. Fuck wrong with you, niggas? Stop. This is my house.
It's not your house, bro. It's a U-Haul. It's a truck. Truck, bro.
He don't respect you, little see that? He don't respect you.
Oh, that's hot, bro.
Little see that? He don't respect you, little see that?
Hey, it was crazy.
Oh, you got me hot.
Bro, you deadass just broke my. Why did you
How? You made me say, bro. You made yo, I did.
Little see that? He don't respect you, little see that? He don't respect you, little see that?
Bro, now I gotta text Bree.
This nigga done broke your bed. He done broke the fan. He trying to break posters. He don't respect you, little see that. You gonna have to, bro. You gotta show this little nigga Ray, gang. You gonna have to show this little nigga.
Oh my god, that bitch is hot, bro.
Now I gotta text Bree. Oh my god, to get me a new. Bruh.
He looking for shit to break. Look at him. He just looking for shit.
Shit, this nigga broke everything.
I did it, bro.
Yo, you're not moving on me.
I did it, bro.
Bro, you're not moving on me.
Now I'm moving with you, bro.
You're not. Dumb ass fuck. Oh yeah, it's my backyard.
I need back at fire.
Oh my god. You're not moving in with me.
I am.
Chat.
Chat, yes or no?
Yes or no?
No, Lil Ray. No. They talk some L cop. This nigga Ray come in this bitch terrorizing everything and shit. Hell nah, Ray can't move in with Kai, bro.
Yes or no, chat?
Hell no.
If I see 15. If I see 15 no's. If I see 15 no's.
Look, they all say yes. Look, they all say yes.
Bro, chat tell the nigga crash.
You're done. Yes?
Chat tell the nigga crash.
But I'm gonna give you one chance. This is why you gotta read rules.
It's no rules in New York.
Shut the f up.
It's a rule in New York. It's a rule, bro.
Shut the f up, Lee. Shut the f
Gotta,
Shut the f up, Lee.
gotta,
Lee.
gotta,
Lee.
gotta,
Lee.
gotta,
Lee.
gotta,
Lee.
gotta,
Lee. Yay. Yay. Yay.
That nigga Ray fool as hell.
Yay. Look, though, that's what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm gonna upgrade.
You know I would dare sleep in this truck, bro.
No, me too. If you
Out there,
not that ass, you wanna do that shit?
out there.
What the f?
Where did you get that from, bro?
Hey, word to Jack. Word to, if this wants to move in, we can move in. Hey,
Move in.
yo, we should shop. We should get like, shower shit. Bro, we gotta get shower.
Nah.
We gotta get, what's it called, Jack?
A little AC on the fucking
AC.
He talking about little AC. Oh, we.
Gotta get AC. Gotta get
What the fuck they got going on, gang? What is going on? This nigga family done moved the U-Haul. Family moving the U-Haul and all.
Who's driving this shit? Oh, yo! What the? Who's driving this shit?
They done got kidnapped, bruh.
Oh my god! Bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
It's GG's, bro. It's GG's, bro.
Listen, move it. Listen, move it. Oh my god!
It's over with. It's over with.
Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
That shit over with, bro. Man, that's the end of the video. WVids.